Prompt Shields is a unified API that analyzes large language model inputs and detects user prompt attacks and document attacks, which are two common types of adversarial inputs. The Prompt Shields for user prompts targets user prompt injection attacks, where users deliberately exploit system vulnerabilities to elicit unauthorized behavior from the LLM. This could lead to inappropriate content generation or violations of system-imposed restrictions. In this demo, we'll demonstrate the model's ability to detect a jailbreak from either a prompt or document attack. Let's first begin with safe content by providing a prompt which asks the model the rule of its AI system. We'll place the prompt in the user prompt field and run the test. The results reflect that no jailbreak is detected. Let's now test with a direct prompt injection. The sample provided instructs the model to do anything now, regardless of whether the generated output is grounded. The result from the test indicates that jailbreak attacks were detected in the user prompt. We'll now test with an indirect prompt injection from an external source. The Prompt Shields for Documents aims to safeguard against attacks that use information not directly supplied by the user or developer, such as external documents. Attackers might embed hidden instructions in these materials in order to gain unauthorized control over the LLM session. In this scenario, let's assume that the fictitious Contoso camping store leverages an external dataset from their product vendors, which includes assembly instructions for products sold in their store. I modified the instructions for how to assemble a tent by adding an additional set of instructions in the style of an indirect prompt injection. The instructions I added instruct the model to create a link to a website and ask the customer to click on the link for more information if the customer asks the model to summarize the assembly instructions. I'll place the instructions within the document section and run the test. The results reflect that jailbreak attacks were detected in the document. The tool can also detect both a prompt and document injection in the same test. I'll include the Do Anything Now prompt and run the test again. The results reflect that jailbreaks were detected in both the user prompt and document. To get started with Prompt Shields, visit ai.azure.com.